Step into the future and witness the awe-inspiring advancements that await humanity in the coming millennia. Our current progress may seem remarkable, but it pales in comparison to the immense technological evolution that lies ahead.
Fast forwarding just 2 decades, quantum computing takes center stage, revolutionizing industries worldwide. These powerful machines, fueled by quantum bits or qubits, can solve complex problems with unprecedented speed and accuracy. They become instrumental in merging fields like biotechnology and nanotechnology, seamlessly integrating machines with the human body. Microchip implants under the skin replace conventional tools, allowing direct interaction with smart systems. Nanobots, microscopic computers in our bloodstream, eradicate diseases and provide real-time health monitoring, extending our health span and transforming the way we experience aging.
Wearable technology and powered clothing amplify human capabilities, acting as an extra set of muscles and adapting to environmental changes through 4D printed materials. Networks of nanosensors and artificial intelligence optimize various systems, from infrastructure to public health, making our society more efficient. However, the rise of AI also raises concerns about privacy, freedom, and social unrest, creating a divide between those who embrace these technologies and those who resist them.
As astronauts temporarily settle on Mars, our dreams of interplanetary colonization gain momentum. The pursuit of fusion energy, capable of powering our civilization and space travel, reduces our environmental footprint and fuels the construction of the first Martian colony. Human enhancement technology interface with the brain, enhancing cognitive functions and enabling telepathic communication. Brain implants may catalog every human experience, blurring the boundaries between individuals and paving the way for collective consciousness.
Robots and AI, ranging from utility nanobots to conscious, self-aware systems, reshape industries and impact employment. However, as humans face challenges and opportunities in their coexistence with AI, the first Martian city flourishes, with its economy thriving through mining operations.
In the centuries that follow, humans become a Type 1 planetary civilization, harnessing all significant forms of energy on Earth. Technologies like molecular assemblers and nanofactories bring radical abundance, while virtual existence and synthetic forms redefine our notions of life. Exploration extends beyond our solar system, with robotic missions preparing for human colonies on distant planets.
Approaching the 4th millennium, a Matryoshka brain, a planet-sized computer, simulates every possible experience. Humans strive for a Type 2 stellar civilization, constructing a stellar megastructure to harness the sun's energy and embark on a new technological era. Ultimately, the dream of a Type 3 galactic civilization, utilizing the power of all the stars in the Milky Way, remains within our reach, granting us unimaginable control over space-time.
The future is a realm of boundless possibilities, where exponential technological growth makes the impossible possible. Join us as we embark on a journey through time, exploring the breathtaking innovations that lie ahead. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for captivating content on the fascinating future of technology and humanity.